To use UPDENTA software for the first time, we need to install it from the official UP3D software download address. Copy this link to open in your browser, find the UPDENTA software, and click Free Download. Once the download is complete, double-click to open the installation package and select the language that suits you. Select the installation address of the software. We recommend that you install it on disk D. Click Install and wait for a few moments. In the process of waiting, we can first prepare an email address that can receive mail normally. After installation, click Finish to run UPDENTA. Click Sign Up and select Email to register. Enter the email address you just prepared and then click Send verification code. Then add your username and login password. Fill in the 6-digit verification code in the email you received here. Check and agree to the user registration policy. Finally, click Sign Up to complete the registration process. The system automatically jumps to the login page for you. Click Login and you can start using it. Thanks for watching.